Winter eye care tips: 5 must-dos to keep your eyes safe this season. The most common problem that eyes face during the winter is a lack of moisture, which must be addressed carefully by following the eye care tips listed below. The winter season is the time of year when the temperature drops dramatically, and the weather is marked by cold winds and snowfall. Dr. Niraj Sanduja, MBBS, MS, ophthalmologist, and eye surgeon suggested simple tips to keep our eyes healthy during these long winters. Winter eye care tips. 1. Hydrate yourself. As the weather turns cold, our water intake decreases, adding to the dehydration. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. 2. Diet. Regulation of diet is essential for smooth functioning of our visual machinery. A diet rich in healthy nutrients like carrot, nuts, spinach is recommended. 3. Protective eyewear. To protect our eyes from harmful UV rays, especially in areas which have snowfall, we should wear good quality sunglasses. The low winter sun can be excessively dazzling to our eyes. 4. Moderate room temperature. Don't keep the heater settings excessively high. Use humidifiers to add some moisture to the air. Open your windows if required. If still eyes feel dry, use of artificial lubricant is advised. 5. Adjust lighting. In winter the sun tends to set early, so make sure the lighting is adequate. When working indoors, also can keep windows open for good lighting.